In this video, you'll learn how to email Epic Games Support for assistance with your issues. To get started, click the Download button if you need to collect any relevant files. Then open the Help menu to access support resources. Next, click into the problem description field and type your issue so support can better understand your situation. Once you've finished, select the checkmark button to confirm your input and click Helpful Links if you need more information about troubleshooting. If prompted, click No. If the suggestion doesn't resolve your issue, and select relevant articles, such as graphics card drivers, for further guidance. Finally, type your message in the chat area to finish communicating with support. You've now learned how to contact Epic Games Support by email.